Hello, good evening. Myself C. Bharanidharan, teaching fellow in the Department of IT at University College of Engineering, Viluppuram, and also I am a team leader for OER creation. And my team members are Dr. R. Sendil Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE at University College of Engineering, Pattukottai, and Mr. R. Regan, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE at University College of Engineering, Viluppuram. Today I am going to explain about how to create a Moodle. In this, I already created this Moodle site that bharani88.moodle.cloud is my web ID in Moodle Cloud. Then go to login. My username is admin, and the password is I'm going to login. In this, after login, first of all go to settings, turn editing on, click turn editing on. In that, select new course. I have already created a course that is OER FDP201X. In that OER creation activity, first activity is LED activity, that is NPTEL Manet. We can edit the name. We can edit this name NPTEL Manet video by clicking this edit option, and then moving to this link. How to provide this link? Edit, or else just go to NPTEL Manet video. In this, click this copy video URL, right click and click the copy video URL, and then paste it here. Then the video content will be displayed like that. Next, moving to LBD activities. In this LBD activity, we are going to create a quiz. This quiz, by clicking this quiz, continue the last attempt. And this is the quiz what I have prepared. First question. This is second question. First question explain about what are the types. Second one is what are the types of wireless ad hoc network. Manet first option, second option WSN, third option Manet, VANET, WSN, MSN, and third last one VANET. The third option is the right answer. Finish attempt. Finally, answers will be saved. Submit all and finish. For first question, okay, this is how we have to do quiz. Next, moving to reflections part, we have to create this reflections part by using this quiz activity. Clicking this, go to like this. Here, what is discussed at timestamp 7.08. It is nothing but an NPTEL video. In that NPTEL video, what is discussed at the timestamp 7.08 is the question. Finally, we have to write the answer what is discussed at the timestamp 7.08. Finally, after finishing this answer, finish attempt should be given. Next, moving to LXI. LX is nothing but a forum. Just we will create a forum. It is very simple. And then next move to LXT. In this LXT, first of all, we have created an PPT. Here is the PPT. Introduction to wireless ad hoc network. The PPT. In this, what you like to do first is add a content page, add a cluster like that and all. we have report our activity AB201, add a new topic. Like that our over activity goes on. Finally moving to this link. This is our PPT link. Wireless ad hoc network is the title. And the team leader is Sibarnidhar and myself. And the team members are Dr. Sindhu Kumar, Regan sir. Introduction to wireless network. Other two types we discussed in wireless ad hoc network is infrastructureless network and the infrastructure network. In infrastructure network, it relies on fixed structure infrastructure with base station and access point and a centralized network. And the examples for infrastructure network is wireless local area network and cellular network. In infrastructureless network, there is no centralized network or centralized access point. So this type of network is also known as multi-hop network. Finally, what are the concepts discussed in wireless ad hoc networks are: it operates in a time division duplex. Second one, it transmit and receive data simultaneously. The existing technologies in wireless ad hoc network are Bluetooth, IEEE 802 can easily communicate with ad hoc networks. The data communication will be single hop or multi-hop communication. And then moving to what are the technologies we use in wireless ad hoc network are IEEE 802.15, IEEE 802.15.1, IEEE 802.11, IEEE 802.16, and MIMO technology and OFDMA. Orthigo function in long distance data communication routing and forwarding concepts are important. Finally, what is meant by routing? Identifying the shortest path between sender and receiver, and then each node should identify the neighbor of path establishing. And then moving to forwarding means after identifying the path, the data is forwarded into a neighbor node. After the multi-hop communication, it reaches a destination node. This is discussed in a wireless ad hoc network about forwarding and routing concepts. Finally, moving to classification of wireless ad hoc network, there are four types of ad hoc network. That first one is a MANET, that is nothing but a mobile ad hoc network. Second one is a WANET, that is a vehicular ad hoc network. And third one is a WMN wireless mesh network. And the fourth one is a wireless sensor network. We will see briefly about what is meant by MANET. MANET is nothing but a mobile ad hoc network which has infrastructureless network, and it has a dynamic topology and self-configuration and the self-optimization and also self-healing. And next moving to WANET, vehicular ad hoc network. Vehicular ad hoc network is the communication taking place between vehicle to vehicle communication and mobile and high mobility, and which is used for traffic analysis and also used for monitoring the vehicle. Finally, data exchange between the vehicles is carried out, and also it is nothing but an intelligent vehicle system. Next, moving to wireless mesh network. Each node communicates with other nodes in the network, and also wireless mesh network has self-configuration, self-establishment link, and easy to implement, and also infrastructureless network. Finally, it is easy to communicate with the existing networks. Next, finally moving to wireless sensor network. Wireless sensor network consists of sensors for data communication, and the sensors and environment where it's deployed, and multi-hop communication for data transmission is carried out, and it consumes low power. And the wireless sensor network can be stationary or dynamic changing topology. Finally, issues in consumption of energy in battery. So far we discussed about these four types of wireless ad hoc network. Okay, thank you. Likewise, we have discussed this PPT. Next, we have to move to Moodle site. Then if you have any queries or feedback, we have to create a feedback form in this link. I can edit like this, and then clicking the feedback, you template, edit questions like that, and many things. You can give feedback like that. Finally, this is how we have to create an OER, and then how to upload the PPT, and then how to enable self-enrollment. Now we are going to see how to enable self-enrollment. So go to participant, this participant, enroll user, this enroll student, enroll user. Likewise we have to enroll, or else finally go to site administration. The site administration, we have plugins. In this plugin we have email based self-registration, and we enable capture. We have to give yes, and finally save changes. Okay, thank you. This is how we have to create a, this is how we have to enable email based self-registration. Thank you.